Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cookies without vanilla extract. Many common ingredients can step in to provide wonderful flavor. We'll explore how various substitutes can change your cookies' taste and texture. You'll learn to adjust amounts for the best results, ensuring your cookies are always a delightful treat. Get ready to bake some amazing, vanilla-free cookies using simple swaps from your pantry. Let's dive into some fantastic replacements. Almond extract is a powerful option. Use just 1/2 the amount you would for vanilla, perhaps 1/2 teaspoon instead of 1 teaspoon. Maple syrup brings a lovely, warm caramel note and a hint of extra sweetness. For a bright, fresh taste, citrus zest from lemons, oranges, or limes works beautifully, adding a vibrant aroma to your cookies. Beyond extracts, spices are your best friends for flavor. Warm spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, or cardamom can transform your cookies into an aromatic delight. If you're making chocolate cookies, a small amount of instant coffee or espresso powder, about 1/2 teaspoon, will significantly deepen that rich chocolate taste. And remember, a tiny pinch of salt always enhances all the other flavors, balancing sweetness perfectly. Here are some final tips for success. Always start with a small amount of your chosen substitute, perhaps 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon, and taste your dough before baking to adjust. Think about the overall flavor profile of your cookie recipe. What complements it best? Don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations to discover your own unique and delicious cookie creations. Happy baking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.